so I do have a tutorial on this look. It is pretty simple. I named it the simplest colorful rainbow look on YouTube, because that's what it is. It's just pretty simple. It's all on the lower lash line, and I'm filming with my Sony a5100. So it gives a smoothing effect, and it just makes me feel good about my life and myself and my body. Anyway, so I want to thank you guys for your support. It really means a lot to me. You guys have seen so much of my journey on YouTube. I've been on here for almost 10 years. You guys have seen me with Flat Tummy Tea, being an affiliate. You guys have seen me with, most recently, Teamy, and I've been a Jonathan. When I see my recording, I cannot do that, okay? Alright, I love you. Yeah, so recently with Teamy, and I've been with Teamy for longer than I've been with Flat Tummy Tea. And I have also I have now more recently, or most recently, joined the TLC gang. No, how did it come, my TLC story, how did it come about? So apparently, okay, so I was contacted by someone I called, well, her name is Kay, and she was telling me about TLC, and I was a little bit hesitant. I was like, it just looks like too much. If I drink user burst, drink the tea, take this, take that time, it's too much, and I do intermittent fasting, so it's going to really screw with my intermittent fasting schedule. I don't think it's something that I can maintain. She's like, you know what, let me get the stuff for you, try it. If you don't like it, fine, but if you do want to, then, you know, I'm always here for you. I'm like, ah, then cool. So, you know, I posted my first, I'm like, okay, I'll be trying TLC, and somebody messaged me like, oh, it's funny how you know, they're reaching out to you now that you're big. First of all, I do not remember that you reached out to me. Second of all, this is not my first time hearing about TLC. I heard about TLC and I joined TLC years ago when you had to steep the tea in the plastic bag, and I was introduced to it through Jazzy Jujubee here on YouTube and also on Instagram. I was introduced to it. She owns Jishay Essentials, and I was introduced to it through Jazzy Jujubee. And I signed up underneath Jazzy. Now, when I signed up, I was not as knowledgeable as I am now, because I didn't want to research. I heard I could make a lot of money. Let's do this. And I started steeping the tea. I was like, this is too much. I have to do this every time I need to drink something. Put it in a 1 gallon bottle, steep for 48 hours. I'm like, yo, this is too much. I really don't want to do this. So I stopped and I forgot about it. I was just, you know, reintroduced to it almost 3 weeks now, and I am shocked at the evolution of TLC. They now have CBD. They now have it in the packet that you just shake, pour, and go, like one little crystallite name. They just pour in and then shake and then drink, and even other companies have that. You just pour and shake and go, because it's easy. It's more it's for everybody's lifestyle. You know what I mean? It goes quicker. I am just shocked by their growth, and I really want to be a part of this. 2 reasons why I want to be a part of this. One, when you sent me the stuff, I actually tested it for a week. I didn't go to the gym for a week, and I told you guys already, the reason I didn't go to the gym is because I don't have the money to pay for the gym memberships. I'm never going to pay a week. I'm going to say, oh, like, come on, I go for a week. I'm going to just try the TLC stuff. I did not work out, did nothing. I did not go on any walks, nothing. The only thing I stayed true to was my intermittent fasting schedule, and that was up and down. And I lost 4 pounds in 1 week. No workout, no nothing. No nothing. No nothing. 4 pounds, not 5 pounds in 5 days. 4 pounds, not a week. 4 pounds in 5 days. That's all. That's what I lost with doing nothing at all. That's one. 2, they actually taste good. And I don't have to put anything in there for it to taste good. The NutriBurst, the tea, and the NRG are the 3 things I'm taking now. And the taste of the I love the NutriBurst room temperature. And I was drinking it room temperature for 3 days until I read the back, and it says keep refrigerated after it's open. I was like, god damn, why am I not reading stuff? So it's not refrigerated. I prefer when it's room temperature. I think it tastes better, but I keep it refrigerated as it says you're supposed to. And so I started out with the NutriBurst, and also the ISO tea, the one with hemp, lemon hemp. The other one, the original ISO tea, the powdered original ISO tea, it does not taste good by itself. What I do when I have it, I tip a little bit of lime juice in there to give it like a flavor, because it just tastes like tea, unsweetened tea. If you love unsweetened tea, then that's your jam. But I hate unsweetened tea. You see the other one that I take in the purple pack, the one with the hemp, Tastes so good. Protein, shake it up, drink it, and you're good to gizzle, honey. With the other one, the protein shake it up, good to go. I see the raspberry one. I'm like, ooh, y'all got raspberry too. Y'all do the dang thing out here, TLC. So I really want to try the raspberry. And I'm about to get real with you in a couple of minutes. Yes, and then no, I think I had gotten the resolution kit. No, I got the solution kit. Was it the solution kit? Me get the kit for $154. Well, on there, the solution kit. Well, I'm just find it and tell her. Yeah, she got the solution kit for me. So she got the solution kit for me. So that's the kit that I had gotten. That's the kit I did is $159. That's the kit on my screenshot and send her, right? $159. Right, so that's what we did get. You know, it was $159 at the time, but because of the whole COVID experience, the lockdown, prices have increased, I think, by $7 or $10. At least because my friend paid $164, this was $159, you know. So when I get that kit, I get samples, and I got a sample of the green iced tea, the original one, the one I'm gonna really like, the one that tastes like unsweetened tea, and I got a sample of the energy. No, what the energy claims to do, I don't feel it. I don't feel, you know, well, hold on, let me just talk. I don't feel the mental clarity, I don't feel the energy, I don't feel the, oh, let's get up and go, attack the day. I don't feel that. But what is happening to my body is that my body fat percentage is going down since I've implemented the energy in my daily routine. No, you can double up. You can take the because it's vitamins. You can take the NutriBurst twice a day. You can take the energy twice a day. And of course, you know, you should already be drinking a tea twice a day, honey. But it's not really a tea. It's like a drink. It's like a drink. I don't know why they call it the ISO tea. It's a drink. It's an ISO drink. It's a drink, bro. It's not a tea. It's not warm or nothing. And I would never drink that warm. I would definitely do that room temperature. So I recently implemented the energy, and that has been decreasing my body fat at a beautiful level. I am so, bro, when I saw that my body fat went to 34%, oh, and I have the scale, the Vanity Planet scale, but I don't think I'm an affiliate anymore, because I gave somebody who contacted me and I told them about my code and it didn't work. So I don't know, but yeah, so that is that. Plus NutriBurst, ISO drink, and and the energy, right? So that's what I've been taking. And I recently started taking the energy since I started working out. So I started last week Monday. At the time of this recording, it is March 16th, which is a Monday. So I started last week Monday, and last week Monday was what date? Last week Monday was the 9th. So I started taking the energy the 9th. What I've noticed about me as a person since I started doing all three, I've noticed that it doesn't matter how late I go to my bed. When I am up and I am ready. I'm not groggy. I'm not yan down the place. I'm not bedtime in yan. But I'm not yan down the place. I'm up, I'm ready. I went to my bed after 11 once. I'm gonna wake up back, must say, to 4. And I was good for the entire day. I would usually fall asleep in church, and that didn't happen to me. I don't know if that's the mental clarity that they're talking about. I don't know if that's the energy that they're talking about. But since taking those 3, I recognize, and I'm not selling you on the 3, because people are gonna ask me what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna know what I'm gonna do, and I'm telling you guys my experience, just like I've done with flat tummy tea, virgin hair, TLC, my own brand, POMIFitness. I'm just giving you guys what has worked for me, what I'm doing to achieve my own goals. So yeah, so I recognize that in a major way. That's the only thing that I say, and I don't know which is doing it. I don't know if it's the energy, the NutriBurst, or the ISO drink. I do not know, but I have energy. And it's not like oh energy, but it's more like, you're not tired? Honey, I'm good, honey. I'm fine, I'm good. I can do that. You want me to help you with something, honey? Tell me, baby. Let me help you here, honey. I have, you know, like that. What else I need to be honest with you guys about? A lot of the claims, they make them based off of majority. So 5 pounds in 5 days is based off of the majority. The NutriBurst, when you ingest it, it has a fast absorption rate. the things that they're telling you is based off of majority. You will have to test out the products yourself and know if it really works for you, but this is my experience. No, this is where it's gonna get even more real. I want to be a part of TLC. One, since being a part of TLC, I've recognized that shit, I have not been really paying my health much attention. I've never done a multivitamin in this fashion before. It's like I'm doing it because I want to get to a certain physical goal, but in the same breath, it's helping me on, like, internally, with my insides, with my gut, with everything. You know what I mean? But yes, I really want to be a part of TLC, and my aim in being a part of TLC is to make $500 per week. $500 per week. That means that I'll have to sell 5 products per day. All the maths go. Whenever you sell something, TLC will pay you $20 if you've signed up with them. So if I sell 5 products, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that's $100 a day. By Friday, I'd have made $500. But the payout is every Thursday. So let's say I got paid out Thursday. So today's Thursday, I get paid out. I work on selling, oh my God, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Whoa! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6. I can make $600 a week. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, okay, new goal based on the payout, because you get paid every Thursday, and so you get paid $20 per product. Now, if you're binary, meaning if you have 2 people, one on your left, one on your right, you can make more money than just the $20. What else? You can get paid every week, or you can get paid daily, which means if you want money for something now, or you make a sale today, you get paid tomorrow. If you want something like something quick, some quick money, like, I don't know, if you go buy something, if you got food, for you have a date and you want to quick, that's what it will do for you, for if you want to choose, if you choose to get paid every single day. I'm building a team, and I need 30 serious people who want to do more for themselves and for others, who are going to use the products, who are going to fall in love the way how I have fallen in love. I want people who want to do better for themselves and others, and also people who want to make money. There are millionaires birthed from this company. Millionaires. You have people making 15,000 US per week. And I know what some of you are thinking. Yeah, it's easy for you because they have a platform. A platform does not it does not mean money or riches, honey. What does is your engagement with people, how people see the product working for you, how you interact with them, their experience with you. The link that I had back in the day, a couple of weeks ago, I have my own link. Well, I'm hoping by this recording I have my own link. Oh gosh, something I need to tell you guys. I probably split it and edit it and put it somewhere else, but so I have a link that is now in my Instagram bio, and that link is not my personal link. That link is for the person who I'm going to sign up under, okay? And so whenever you purchase through that link, the money that's made, the $20 per product that's made, that comes to me. She's going to give it to me so that I can purchase my own starter kit and some other stuff that I need, so that I can have my own link. The link that you see, the K treasure, that's K's link. So I'm gonna have my own link, LyricRochester, LyricWorksOut, Lyric Fit, Lyric whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna put yet, but it's going to be that's going to be my own link. Now when I make that link, that's when like the money come directly to me, because no, if it goes directly to her, then she give me back the money, understand? Yeah, so thank you for those of you who have purchased so far. I needed 5 sales so that I can qualify to buy the starter kit. But with the starter kit, I want to get things for myself as well. I want to get the NRG, NutriBurst, and the ISO drink. And that's going to be $219 with for everything. So continue to use the link. That really means a lot to me, and so that I can get my own link and that I can start making money, because as of now I'm not making money from the company. So yeah, they've birthed millionaires from this company, especially now with what's going on with the world with COVID-19. You can make your money from home right now. No interaction with people. All you have to do is post. The company TLC, they are paying you to post and sell their product. It's not coming to your house, you take it and you ship it back out. No, they'll do the shipping for you. All you have to do is make the sales. When I worked with TLC, with Teamy, the most I've ever gotten paid was, I think either $11 or $14. They pay out every week, $11 or $14, and that was probably after 3-4 sales, $11 or $14. With the Coldest, because you guys know I'm still an affiliate with the Coldest, the most I've ever made was $15, and that's off of one sale, and that's off of somebody spending, I think, $99. When this works out with TLC, I will be making $20 per item that I've made. That is the most money I've made working with anybody at all that I've had to work for, or I've had to be an affiliate with. That's the most. So if you need to make extra money, if you want to go all gung-ho like Stormy Wellington and be like a millionaire, like build that money, honey, then you can definitely do that. Jesus Christ, then you can do it, you guys, without leaving your home. All you have to do is post and to promote. Now the team that I'll be building is a team of male and female, a team of people who want to make that extra money, a team of people who want to make more than that extra money. It depends on your availability. This can be your plan B, your plan C. This doesn't have to be the end all and be all for you, because it's not my end all and be all. This is plan B for me, because I have been an affiliate. Smile Bright. Oh, the most payouts I've ever gotten was with Smile Bright. Like Smile Bright, I used to make money with Smile Bright. $25. No, was it $25? How much used to make? I used to make money with Smile Bright, but I'm no longer affiliated with Smile Bright. I'm no longer promoting for Smile Bright. The reason why I'm even making this video, 1, is to get you fired up. 2, to let guys know that it is possible for you to make extra income at a really nice rate. And if you're Jamaican, if you're making an extra $500 to $600 a week, you're making $60,000 to $80,000 per week as a Jamaican. And you don't have to bring anything into the country from customs. Now most Jamaicans, they want feel and touch and feel, and you have a store will love go. Jamaicans will love go. So you have a store, Lyric, you have a store. So I'm like, nah, I don't have a store, I need buy it online. I have a store. You know, with this I see things that I want to accomplish coming to fruition. Not just me personally, because I have my personal goals, but with what our family wants to do. I see coming to fruition. If it is possible for me to sell 5 products per day, make an extra $100 per day, just in time for payouts, make it before Thursday, $600 per week. I don't even make $500 with YouTube anymore. I don't. I'm doing YouTube because I genuinely love it. I'm doing YouTube because it's teaching me other self-disciplines. I'm doing YouTube because some of you guys need me to continue making videos, and I will do that for you. You know what I mean? Like, I will do that for you. But this is my new business venture, and I need 30 serious people. 30 serious people. Now, if it is that you are serious, you will need to invest in order to do the starter, because remember, the starter kit that I'll be doing is $49. We can do that and just sign up and move on, but I want more. That's why I'm going to be $220. As I said, I want the IST, the NRG, and the stuff. I'm not ready for the resolution drops yet. I'm not ready for buy that yet, because the resolution drop I heard is a live in a bottle. I wouldn't know, because as you guys would see, there was the solution kit that I bought. It came with the resolution drops, but it was stolen out of my package. I don't know if it was stolen when it hit Jamaica or when it was overseas. I don't know, but it was stolen. So me not know. What else I want to tell you guys? I guess that's basically it. If you want to sign up, let me give you an email address. It's a new email address. I have to. Okay, it's as told by Lyric. Because I was going to do a new vlog channel, and my new vlog channel, see all my emails there. My new vlog channel was going to be called As Told by Lyric. See there? So you can email astoldbylyric@gmail.com if you want to be a part of my team. Now, if you go on and if you want more information, I can give you more information on TLC and the ranks, because they have different ranks, different points. See? So my aim at the end of this, maybe by the next 2 or 3 years, I really want to reach an executive ambassador. That's like way up there. You know what I mean? But that's the end goal. But as for now, I don't want to say, but but there's a certain amount. I mean, guys, making an extra $20,000 a week in Jamaica, that is $2 million per week. My church would be in a better position because I would definitely be tithing. My family would be in a better position. We'll probably even move. We can finally have a vehicle that will not have to carry wash body man and mechanic every once in a while. A reliable vehicle that we not have to fix up every minute. It will just make life more comfortable. I've shared so many things with you guys, and there are the things I have not said, and that's by design, because people will take your weakness and make it into, people will ridicule you because of your weakness. People will pick at you because of your weakness. If you're down, people will kick you when you're down, especially for somebody like me who I'm constantly posting, you know, I have Louis Vuitton bags and purses, and you can't afford this, you can't afford that. Whenever I buy anything luxurious or anything that I have that costs a bit of money, that's something I saved up for, and I went ahead and get it. I have so many, not just me, we, our family, because you know, me and Jeremy, we have business meetings almost every week saying, okay, how can we make an extra this per month? How can we do extra this per month? This is an avenue. And I'm looking to bring back my products on the shelf. I want to restock my brushes badly, my belts, my lashes, start making the wigs again for you guys. I want to do that, but it's going to take money. It's going to take investing in me. So this is why I'm taking this step, and I'm putting myself out there again to you guys. If you want to be a part of my team, sign up under me, and let's get this together. You don't have to leave your house. All you have to do is take the products, post and promote. That is it. You don't have to leave your house. Now you have 5 ways that you can make money from TLC, and it involves leaving your house if you choose that 5. If you choose one of those 5s, if you choose that one of the 5, you can. But if you don't want it, you don't have to. And being from Jamaica, that's a sigh of relief, because that means the first solution kit I got, the invoice is in there, because TLC I got send an invoice if you're in Jamaica or anywhere else that requires money, like Antigua or wherever, and it cost me $18,000 to clear, because the invoice came up to $238. No, the invoice that came up to $238 was not the invoice in the package that I got. The invoice in the package that I got was blank, empty. So there I got 2 kits. That's $36,000 to clear. I don't have $36,000. I could only afford to clear one, so I cleared the one. So after that now, then I'm going to get the other one, and I build up the money to clear the other package, and I will be clearing the other package. That's another $18,000. If you can get your products to your customers without having to clear, that's amazing. No, the bad news is for us that live in Jamaica. And when I say to you, if you know anybody will come down, send it to them address, with them carry down for you in them bag. Or hit me up in my email if you want to know the or, because I can't say the or out here, you know what I'm saying? I got people watching me, honey. But I'm not going to go any longer. I feel like I've been rambling, but I wanted to get everything out that I had to say. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. If you want to join my team, go ahead and send me an email expressing your desire to join my team. I'm afraid to put the link below. The link is below if you want to shop. That's fine. If you want to buy, then you can go ahead and buy. But if you want to be part of my team, email me and let's talk. Let's hash it out. See? Alright, cool. I'm done.